Today is Sunday, July 7, 2019, Singapore. I am doing a video on 3 types of fruit trees in this area, north of Singapore, at around 8:30 a.m. This first tree is the mango tree. There are no more mangoes around, but as you can see, the leaves identify the tree. So this is the mango tree. The next one I will show is the rose apple tree, which no longer has rose apples now, and you can see the leaves are a bit different. So this will be the rose apple tree. And the third fruit tree I want to show is a rambutan tree. The rambutan tree leaves look a bit different. Okay, this is the rambutan tree. As you can see, there are a few rambutans around. And normally you identify the trees by the fruit trees by the leaves. So these are the leaves of the rambutan tree. So basically there are 3 fruit trees in this stretch of road, and you can hear some birds calling. That could be the crow. I shall stop now. Today is July 7, 2019, Singapore, around 8:30 a.m. The mango tree in the distance. The rose apple tree next to it. They have been pruned. And the rambutan trees, still with some rambutans, and I saw a squirrel eating the rambutans this morning. That will be in part of the video. I shall stop now. July 7, 2019, Singapore.